how are you getting your not so tech savvy sellers to send over mortgage documents, legal docs, and so on? You know, this isn't very complicated. I always go back to what we had to do in the past. If you're dealing with people remotely, if you're local, you can drive over, of course, talk with them, do whatever you need to do, deliver things. If you're remote, you've got a couple of options. You can either hire a mobile notary to go by and pick up things for you, drop them off, get things signed, do all of those things. I mean, there are other people you can get to do as well. If you work with a real estate agent that's local, they can do those types of things for you. We still occasionally do some old-fashioned stuff, and we'll do FedEx. It depends on the age of the seller. It depends on their tech savviness level. But there are a lot of ways you can get that stuff done. Everybody's not going to be okay with DocuSign. Some sellers won't even have a computer. And that's okay. There's always a way to work around it and get that stuff done. So,
hey guys, thanks for watching. While you're here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out these other great videos and podcast episodes.